Today marks detty December vlog 1. I'm off to Ghana. I look absolutely exhausted. It's because I am. And guys, the specific reason why I was tired was because I went out the night before. I went to go meet one of my homegirls, and though I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna have a little bit of shisha, that's it, we ended up drinking not one, not two, but 3 buzzballs. Okay, so you can only imagine how tired I was that morning, but I'm slowly getting my energy back and the vlogs are going to be given, don't worry. But the shisha lounge was super cute, I'm not gonna lie, and they serve food as well. It's a place called Sundown Lounge, so if you ever stop by there, definitely check it out. I went to sleep late last night and just sort out some last minute things. Yeah, the time at the minute is 8 o'clock. I'm gonna do my makeup, get ready. We should be leaving by like 9:30 by God's grace. My flight's at 1:15, and yes, I am very much an airport girly. I like to get there early. I don't like the stress. I don't like rushing last minute and all of that. So the earlier we get there, the better. But like once I get sleep in my system, I'm gonna be so much more jovial and in such a lit energy. But right now, I'm tired.
Is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes actors. Please make yourselves comfortable and discover our in-flight entertainment, which is now available for you to enjoy.
Taking nothing with you is carrying baggage may block aisles and exits.
It may be behind you. Opening the door.
Unless they'll have a chocolate cake to eat.
as items may have moved and could fall out, causing injury. You may now make it has been our pleasure serving you today, and no matter how you celebrate, we do wish you a very magical Christmas.
Guys, I'm all checked in. I'm so tired. Like, words cannot describe how tired I am, how stressed and overwhelmed I was, and how good God is. Okay, right now the breeze and that God around us is really nice. Otherwise, there's such a nice view, which I'll be surprised about. That one will be so cool, so handsome. But just unpacking. I'm tired, but I want to kind of like get my stuff. Sorry about the fluff. I'm just gonna unpack so I can make this apartment feel like a home, which means we're continuing the vlog. I'm not going to sleep yet, and I want to have like a fresh shower, change some pages, just get real comfy. So I probably will sleep late tonight, but it's all good.